A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of the lamp post at the speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp post is at 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of her shadow after the 4 seconds. Okay. So as soon as you read the question, then afterwards we need to draw a suitable diagram for this. Then only we can solve this problem. So I already drawn a diagram. Let me explain the diagram about it. Okay, I am supposing that AB is a lamp post, and from here PQ is I am supposing this PQ is a girl. Okay, PQ girl started from the AB and she walked for 4 seconds at the speed of 1.2 meters per second. At the speed of 1.2 meters per second. After this 4 seconds, she reached up to here, and now what we need to find out? And we need to find out the length of her shadow. So I am supposing that her shadow is OQ. Then we need to find out the length of her shadow, that is of OQ. That means here AB is the pole, PQ is a girl, and here girl started from the AB, that is from the pole, and she walked for the 4 seconds at the speed of 1.2 meters per second. That means 1.2 meters she will cover for 1 second. But how long she traveled? She traveled for 4 seconds. That means in 4 seconds she can cover 4.8 meters distance. That's why I took QB as an 4.8 meters. Now I am supposing that OQ is the length of her shadow. This is what we need to find out. So I am supposing this as a X. Now let me explain the answer in this. Let AB be the height of the lamp of 3.6 meters and PQ is the height of the girl 90 centimeters as the length of a lamp given in the meters. I am writing this height of the girl in meters as 90 centimeters. If you convert into meters, that can be written as 0.9 meters. Now we know the speed of the girl as 1.2 meters per second. 1.2 meters per second. Now if you observe this, QB is the distance traveled by the girl. QB is the distance traveled by the girl in the 4 seconds. That is of 4 into 1.2 meters. That is of 4.8 meters. That means we got the length of QB. I am supposing that OQ is the length of her shadow. Then as we need to find out this length, I am supposing this as a X meters. I am supposing this as a X meters. Now I am going to compare these two triangles. Let me say that what are the two triangles I am going to compare. Comparing in the sense I am going to prove these two triangles as a similar. So I am going to compare triangle AOB and triangle POQ. If you observe that triangle AOB, that is of bigger triangle, and triangle POQ, which is of smaller triangle, these two triangles I am going to compare. In these two triangles, angle AOB, angle ABO, angle ABO, that means angle B is equal to angle PQO, that means angle Q. Both are equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because that pole will be vertically erected to the ground, and girl also stands vertically above the ground. So both makes 90 degrees here. And angle AOB, that is of angle O, and angle POQ, that is of angle O again. That means angle O is a common angle for these both triangles. Now in this both triangles, two angles of one triangle AOB are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle POQ. Then we can say, by using AA similarity criterion, we can say that triangle AOB is similar to triangle POQ. Now why we have shown this as a similar means to make use of one of the important property of similar triangles. That is, if two triangles are similar, if these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Then ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So from this AB of the triangle AOB, for AB what is the corresponding side? What is the corresponding side for AB? That is PQ. AB by PQ is equal to AO BO by OQ is equal to AO by PO. Okay, this is an equation that we got. In this, we don't know the values of AO and PO, then no need to make use of this third one. So I'm going to make use of only first and second terms in this equation. So if you observe that first term and second term, AB by PQ is equal to PO by OQ, and we know that length of AB, that is of height of the pole, as 3.6 meters, and we know the height of the PQ, that is of height of the girl, as 0.9 meters, is equal to BO. BO length will be obtained by BQ plus OQ. BQ is 4.8 meters. OQ is length of the shadow of the girl, that we suppose as a x. So BO we can write it as a 4.8 plus x. Now OQ is x meters as we suppose. Now on simplifying this LHS, point get cancelled here. 9 ones 9 fours. So 4 is equal to 4.8 plus x by x. And transporting this x to other hand of equation, we can write it as 4x is equal to 4.8 plus x. Now on transporting this x to other hand, we can write it as 4x minus x is equal to 4.8. From this 3x we get it as 4.8. Then x is equal to 4.8 by 3, that is of 1.6 meters. From this we can write that length of the shadow of the girl after 4 seconds is 1.6 meters. 1.6 meters.